the word kingdom and king, are not in Ghana's chieftaincy laws and regulations, because to be a king means to be the head of a kingdom, and to have a kingdom means you have a king who has got his own parliament, who has got his own judiciary, and has an executive under him, and the people of the country are subject to him without question. Okay. With this, maybe you will remember some of the Islamic countries like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and others. Okay. We don't have that in Ghana, and that is why the word kingdom and king, as I said, are missing.
Okay, so Asantehene is not a king.
Properly speaking, he's not a king. Okay. Because the Asantehene is subject to Parliament of Ghana, the courts, whatever, as opposed to King Charles of England, and I mean Queen Elizabeth's son. Yes. You know that over there, he is the king of England, and Parliament would make laws for him to sign before they would become laws properly so called. And then also over there, he would take salutes on ceremonial occasions. Indeed, he is the head of state of the United Kingdom. The Asantehene is not the head of state of Ghana. Okay. And his powers do not go beyond the frontiers.
What you say? We are now your mind here. He need Kasiabi also. And I want to state here, without any doubt, say, Ghana King Biania, King Biani Ghana, Ghana Yuna, or mine, Nea
for in Ghana, in the Ghana books of the chieftaincy, and in the Ghana National House of Chiefs, Otunfo is just a paramount chief.
Monim say me, now ya before me ba behu the difference between a king and a chief. Ewo Ghana and me kogu me when mas wo Kenya. Now ya just last month or last 2 months. Me kogu me when mas wo Kenya. Men kotu me kwenya Kenyan friends be na jame more just about Ghana ya bakosem na me so Ghana we have a king and his name of Otunfo blah blah blah. I say me mama just say all of a sudden me start me king asem no. Now girls now make story and I started feeling skeptical about the whole thing. I could see from their actions they were not comfortable. And to me come and say we and one of them were like, wait, are you coming from the Republic of Ghana? I said, yes. And you have a king? I said, oh, yes, you know, the Asante Kingdom, they were years back, they fought and conquered so many, blah, blah, blah. I said, well, but then you still have a president. I said, yes, you have a president. So who is the monarch? I said, you see, we have the president, he's the president of Ghana, and then we have... Well, this sounds quite confusing, because a country that has a president and also have a king, it's quite confusing. Anyways, you can just continue to talk. I feel my ferry. You know what? Still, I was defending my point. The girl was trying to make me understand that me and me free me kromo, but me kromo your king biani. You understand what I'm saying? She was trying to make me feel, no, say baby, I'm free, but there is no king there because it's a Republican country. It's a republic. You see, politics. After that, my episode, I'm there. They don't come on and I'm baby, and I'm there. There, I started researching about this kingship and chieftaincy and all blah blah blah. I started reading some books that late Queen Elizabeth had. I started reading some books from Hammonds. I started reading a lot of books about this kingship and queenship, and I started opening my eye. And to this knowledge, yeah, Doma Hene, Abe Bieswache okromu hai for free. Yen benefit yen should be to your trim. And yes, I will look, we will keep embarrassing ourselves to the world. Kenya hayao. Mako George and say king or the king or me uni pictures send me Oh my God, him and so said, but you have a president and a king at the same time. Like how? I feel I'm a fairy. I remember every single time behu you know. Behu the difference between a paramount chief and a king. My fairy. Me just say me cook Kenya meet my friends I'm enough because many who how could I know this about my own country? So this is free knowledge cut across. Ya to apitim do ma hina da Roma. Na na be ma therefore da Roma ya to apitim momfa bibo obi afa we Asantehene we da bomba no ya frafra ni ya Hausa ni we are north na we are whatever fa bi to trim a free education papa ndi ama ye no because aningwa se na egu he baby wa kwa kasa Ghana for your king e bia na e ho na they won't react but atwen ho na was really like does she know what she's talking about like for real Ghana a king kokota kofo e be chiri mate ase ne ya bre hey Bible say lack of knowledge my people perish ya perish na ye gu ehoni ma se so that dey na mu